Hey y'all, welcome back to Life at Z. If I'm making a new video, that means we are headed on a new cruise adventure. So this one is a little different than anything else we have ever done before. We are flying to Seattle on Friday, which is July 4th, to spend 2 days in the city. And then next Sunday, we are embarking on the Norwegian Encore for our 7-day Alaskan cruise. I am so excited. We booked this a year ago. So we've been planning here and there for a year, trying to figure out what we want to do. But the biggest thing that I have stressed over with this trip has been what to pack, because we are used to Caribbean and Mediterranean, so warm weather. Now we did choose July to cruise because it is one of the warmer months, and so hey, that's what we're used to and that's what we like. However, from everything that I've read and researched, Alaskan weather is so unpredictable. It can be warm and sunny one day and then cold and rainy the next, or even in the same day. So we have to pack a little bit of everything in order for us to have what we need. So I thought, what better way to do this than make a little video about what we are packing, and maybe it can help someone else. I think I've shown y'all this in a previous video, but I always start with my pack this sheet. Each of us, so all three of us, get one, and then it helps kind of guide me as to, okay, oh, don't forget that, oh, don't forget this. So on the back, I always write down the days. So we have 10 days. So we have 7 days on the ship, disembarkation day, day 8, and then 2 days in Seattle. So we have 10 days that we have to pack. Well, I did not want to pack 10 separate outfits and whatnot. So this is probably the best packing that I've ever done, because I'm trying not to overpack, and I'm trying to reuse or rewear a lot of our clothing. My husband and I, we are platinum on NCL, and so we do get free laundry, I think one time, each of us. So that would be twice. So we're going to utilize that on the ship. So I think what I'm going to do, I have, obviously our whole list is completed for all of us. So we already know what we're going to wear on each day. And if we have to tweak it based on the weather that day, it's much warmer than what I've already kind of gone through the weather app and seen what the weather temperature is supposed to be, if it's going to be rainy as well, which as of right now, there's multiple days of 60% chance of rain. So it is what it is. If we have to tweak things, then we will that morning. But I've kind of done it based on what the weather is supposed to be like. So we're starting our trip in Seattle. So Seattle is going to be mid 70s to upper 70s. So we're going to be in warm weather clothes from New Orleans. I decided I'm going to put right next to me here what we are packing. So if you ever want to pause and jot down or take a picture of it or screenshot it, much easier to do. I'm going to start with my outfits and my clothing for our trip. So I'll start going over it, and then certain pieces I might actually pull them and show you just so you can get an idea. Okay, so I am going in my red and white striped little romper on Friday because it's July 4th. So we are going to be wearing red, white, and blue on Friday. I'm also going to be bringing 2 tank tops. Another thing I tried for this trip, which I've never well, I did this one time when we went to the Mediterranean. All my shirts coordinate with all the bottoms, so I can mix and match. So you're gonna see me in a lot of neutral colors this trip. 2 short sleeve shirts, 2 long sleeve shirts, 2 shorts. So like those are my Seattle days where I'm gonna be wearing shorts, 1 pair of blue jeans, 1 dress. We are celebrating our anniversary on this trip, so my request is that for one night, we all look a little bit nicer and take a family picture, like a nice family picture. I'm bringing 4 pants, so all these I'm gonna rewear again on a second day. So my 4 pants are 1 joggers, 1 fleece-lined leggings. Let's see what else. 1 regular leggings that's like thinner. And then 1 water-resistant pants, like waterproof type pants. I have the olive green ones, and then Zoe has the black ones, but they are Magellan outdoor water repellent. And then my fleece line leggings, I got those for Glacier Bay Day. I'm gonna have 4 different pairs of shoes that may be overkill. I don't really know, but I'm gonna bring my waterproof shoes, tennis shoes, flip-flops, because I may want to go to the pool and get on the water slides. And then I have like my neutral colored sandals that I can wear anytime, and they're like a little bit fancier than flip-flops, so I can probably wear them for dinner. I'm also bringing 3 swimsuits and 1 cover-up. I don't wear like sleep sets, so I just wear t-shirt and shorts. So I'm bringing 2 t-shirts and 2 shorts, and then I'll just alternate them. I am packing underwear for every single day, so 10 underwear will be coming with each of us. 2 pairs of little socks. We got those from Academy as well back in January. 6 pairs of socks, so like 3 crew socks, 3 pairs of ankle socks. I have 1 fleece jacket. Okay, I really love my waterproof raincoat jacket thing. Let me show you. I got this a really long time ago at the Columbia outlet, and it has 2 layers. So of course I have purple, and it's like my favorite color. And then it has this insulated inner layer, but this layer is removable. So it's really 2 for 1, because you can just use the little puffer jacket by itself, or the rain jacket by itself, or together for, to stay warmer. We got waterproof gloves from Amazon. So mine are purple and black. And these are supposed to work really well with phones and technology. So if you are filming or videoing, you're supposed to be able to, touch your buttons and whatnot. I tried it with my phone and it worked really well. I'm just bringing 1 beanie, like a little knit hat. And then I'm bringing like a baseball hat as well. So if it's raining, I'll wear the baseball hat so that the rain's not in my face if I have my rain jacket hood on. Bras for females, we're probably gonna do just like 4 to 5 and then wash if we need to. So I hope that helps for my outfits. We're gonna bring Zoe in and she's gonna help with hers. Before I bring Zoe on, I was gonna read to you and put it on the screen what Zaz is gonna be bringing for the trip. Okay, so short sleeve shirts. He's bringing 4 short sleeve shirts and 4 long sleeve shirts. So he's bringing double the shirts than what I'm gonna be bringing. He has 4 shorts, only 1 pair of jeans. He's also bringing athletic shorts because he will probably be working out. Also 4 pairs of pants, so we are the same on that. He will be bringing 3 pairs of shoes. So waterproof shoes / like little boots, tennis shoes, and casual shoes. He will have the 1 fleece, the 1 jacket, the 1 gloves, just like Zoe and I will have, but he's bringing 2 beanies and 3 to 4 hats. He likes wearing hats. He's only bringing 2 swimsuits, 1 or 2 pairs of wool socks. So I think he's bringing more than me.
Hey guys, it's Zoe, and I'm gonna share what I'm packing for our 10-day trip. This is what I'm packing. 2 tank tops and 2 shorts for Seattle, 3 short sleeve shirts for on the ship, 3 long sleeve shirts for our excursions, 1 dress for the anniversary dinner, 2 athletic shorts, 1 pair of blue jeans, 4 pants. They're flare leggings, fleece-lined regular leggings, and waterproof leggings. My shoes are 1 pair of slides, 1 pair of waterproof shoes, 1 pair of tennis shoes, and 1 pair of nice sandals. 2 to 3 pajama sets, 3 swimsuits if I want to go to the pool, 1 cover-up for my swimsuits, 1 fleece jacket, 1 waterproof jacket, 1 pair of gloves, 1 beanie, and 1 baseball hat.
So that concludes our clothing items. But we wanted to just share a few other little things that we were bringing on the Alaskan cruise. We did talk about a couple of these, but we wanted to just share them and show them to you.
Okay, so first, these are my wool socks.
We got those at Academy, y'all. So they were like $20.
And these are my waterproof gloves.
We also, if you know us or have seen our videos in the past, we like to hide ducks. And being that it's July 4th weekend, we got red, white, and blue mini ducks. So we will be hiding those on the ship.
And we bought binoculars to sightsee different wildlife.
We have a balcony room, so we're hoping that we can see hopefully whales, but anything really, like bald eagles, otters. We'll take whatever we can get.
Dolphins. I'm kidding.
There are no dolphins in Alaska.
Oopsie.
This might be overkill because I don't think it's really going to be that cold, but I did buy myself some hot hands so that I can tuck them into my pocket and stay nice and warm on Glacier Bay Day and when we are hopefully on Mendenhall Glacier. We have booked a super cool excursion where we take a helicopter ride to Mendenhall Glacier and hopefully go dog sledding. Zoe's one request for this trip was to see snow, and I thought she was crazy because it's July. There's not going to be snow, right? But in my research, found out that if you go to the glacier, there is snow. Oh, and then with Alaska, again, a lot of people have said that it can rain like that. Sometimes it rains every day, so we have a waterproof, water-resistant bag for our excursions. And, oh, let me show you the waterproof boots.
These are mine.
Zoe has the Columbia one. I know, it's probably like kind of warm for the fur. However, if you have wide feet, like our child does, not any shoe fits. So Columbia makes this little cute boot, and it's specifically for wide feet. So it works really well. They're very comfy for her. She likes them. And then I decided to go with the Vessi brand. They have different styles of shoes. So this is the Vessi Alta, and they are so comfy.
They look very comfy.
I'm excited to wear them. So these are going to be my port day boots. And oh, there is one more shoe / accessory that we have never brought on a trip or cruise or vacation before.
Or anything, anywhere, ever.
Yes. And it's unfortunate, but it's life. So Zoe, you want to show them?
Yeah.
Zoe has a walking boot. Just in time for our trip. She had a little tumbling incident with some furniture in our house. So X-rays have shown that it's not broken, but she's not able to ambulate and bear weight through it. So the walking boot does at least allow her to walk. And yeah, so we're gonna be hauling this thing with us on our trip. Oh, child, this girl. She's okay as long as she has it on. It's painful when she walks, but
Very.
it'll be okay. We will have a fabulous time. So thank y'all for joining us. And the next video you will see will be our travel to Seattle day. Bye.
Bye.